What's up, guys? Welcome back from the post Klaus accident video, and today we made our decision about what we're going to do with Klaus. Very nice gentleman actually hit us up and he was like, hey, I got this part you guys could really use, come up here and grab it. And I was like, oh, okay, that's cool, but we really don't have any money for that right now, so but thank you. He's like, no, it's free, come grab it, just give me some of those t-shirts and that Earnest beer you guys always talk about. So this part is a little big. It's right here. He's like, you're gonna need a trailer and 4 tires for it. Ernest hooked us up with a little care package of a case of beer, a t-shirt. We got him all of our Hidden Motorsports t-shirts, some decals. It's about an hour and a half north into Michigan, so we're gonna go ahead and get up there and get this small little part. The GPS on our way to Michigan is actually taking us down the road where the accident was, so now you guys can actually see it. And we are not in the nicest part of town. I don't even like being out here during the day. So this wonderful lady was sitting right here, started to creep out, creeping, and I saw her creeping, and then started to get into this lane, and I'm coming down the road, and I thought she was going to stay in this lane, and she actually pulls right out in front of me. So she gets to right here. That's where I swerve to get out of the way. And yeah, that's the story. She pulled right out in front of me. It was awesome. Locked up his brakes. Nothing I could do because it was a split second, 45 miles per hour to 0 in no time at all. We made it up here. We're in Michigan. We got JD over here. Get some light. I'll adjust the light. Yeah. He's the one that hit us up and said that he had a big part that we could just have. He said we just had to bring some tires for this part. So let's go back and see what that part is.
Scary movie time.
Dun, dun, dun. It got dark out here. So we drove all the way up here to get this. This is our new plan for Klaus. We're gonna do a full chassis swap. We're gonna try to make him look exactly the same, everything the same, but JD provided us with a what, 95?
95, yep.
Yep, 95 325, which is 2 years older than Klaus's chassis. And this is a 100% rust-free, almost dent-free E36. So there's going to be a lot of BMW fanboys that are going to scream and yell at me and call me BMW whistling diesel when I take a Sawzall to this car. But it's what we do, right, Chad?
Yee
Yee. Like, look at the inside. He's already got the interior stripped for us. Everything.
Dash gonna go straight in there.
Yeah, literally, we just got
Seats are gonna bolt straight in. Trunk plate.
I left the seat
Fuel
for
cell.
safety.
a seatbelt for safety.
First.
Yep, always.
We don't need those where we're going.
That's so true.
Mirrors are even there.
Oh.
We'll have to figure out how to incorporate those.
I know, if I can get the
Because
stock mirrors again. That'd be
Last
better.
time we got yelled at
We
by
did get
people
yelled
on the
at.
internet.
Internet people like to yell at you all the time.
Never changing the windshield either.
Nope, we're leaving it. He painted this engine bait and it's extremely nice. So we gotta decide, I kind of want to leave this. Just gotta see how it goes. But I
mean,
really...
it even goes into the trans tunnel.
It is? Oh my gosh. It's not covered in oil like mine is.
It's not beat out with the sledgehammer to make room for the T56.
We might have...
Not yet.
A little,
Yeah, we'll get there.
A little bit of beating. We got our core support and our front bumper, and now we're definitely not going to weld our core support. We're going to bolt it up, so that way, and the front part of the cage will also be bolted in, so we can remove it and slide the engine out with front, so you guys don't see me cherry picking the entire front end of the car up in the air. I drop the engine onto like a little roller stand and then roll the engine and transmission underneath of it, and because you had to drop the subframe to get an LS in and out, and yeah,
Not anymore.
not anymore. We're gonna do it the right way.
So if anybody needs parts, of course we're gonna give JD first pickings because he's got another one over here.
These rockers.
But what he doesn't take and what we have left, you know, we're probably just gonna cut everything apart. So, wonder if those window motors still work.
Window motor.
haven't tested them.
Shoot.
I wouldn't doubt they did. Or they would. I have spares of those too.
You got spares of everything.
Everything.
That's kind of like me with the E92.
You gotta have it. E36 is, yeah.
Into the trunk.
There's still a floor in there.
There is. It's
not gonna be there for long?
Right here. To think, yeah, like right here. We're gonna take some measurements because we have the cage on like there.
Measurements.
All this.
Come on.
Measurements about right. It looks about right measurements. But no, this thing is clean. The only thing, yeah, we gotta do is build that little firewall. We'll make that. I bought a.
Insert the looks good to me meme.
It'll be fine.
The trunk trim, though, I don't have the trunk trim. You guys are gonna have to, I don't know, not have trunk trim.
Trunk trim? Right here. No.
In case anybody needs service on their car, definitely don't call that.
Project's over. There's no trunk trim.
Yep. See, that's where it's. I know I'm about an inch from the gas cap is where I cut, so it'll be.
Why don't we just do like a hard angle from the fender up? Because you don't use that for your gas.
I remember because if you look inside, it's the way that the two panels come together.
Yeah.
You can't, because you got this one right there, your inner, and then your outer. I think I remember that when I was half drunk with the Sawzall cutting it up.
Is there any other way to operate a Sawzall?
No, not really. I mean, I had my safety squints on, so I was good.
Perfect.
I think we're still gonna put we have a 1/4-inch plate of steel that runs along the bottom of the rocker, so I could jack it anywhere I want.
It's a good idea.
But it's pretty good.
Should probably not jack it in public.
But no,
tint the windows first.
no, it's easy because when you guys can come over, you can.
It's
help me
easier to
jack
jack
it
it in
and it comes
public.
right
You heard
up.
that. You heard him say it.
No, you've helped me jack it before. It's coming right up.
Demonetized.
Yep, and it's gone.
Sorry. We can't be demonetized because we'd have to be monetized first
I
for
know.
that. The appreciation of this car said that you wanted some Ernest beers, so we got you an Ernest shirt.
Nice. Awesome.
The brewery. Oh,
Got the logo and the slogan on the front and back. We got you one of our Klaus Barbarian shirts that we're both wearing right now.
Yep, that's what you're gonna be, or what we're gonna be making again.
It's gonna look close. Might be
Nice.
Klaus 2.0.
Can't wait.
One of our event shirts. We put on an event twice a year at Summit Motorsports Park. Call it No Half Cents. Because you can't really say full send anymore. Somebody already stole that.
Yeah. So
Somebody
don't
do
have
it
sense.
first.
And it's just one of our company
Shirts.
shirts in blue.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's got our name, number, and logo on it. And then we've got you 2 of our different stickers.
I do like stickers.
And then 4
Beer.
6-packs of our local beer.
So we have, this is their Easy Beer, which is their closest thing to Miller
A
Lite,
standard
Bud Light,
yellow
stuff like
ale.
this. Their signature beer is a Crunchy Hippie beer. It's a brown ale. And then he hooked us up with some Oktoberfest that just came out that I've been drinking, and it's very, very good.
Nice.
So that's what we got. And then plus any future stuff, I'm going to be hooking you up with t-shirts,
Cool.
ride-alongs, like whatever you want.
That's
Really
awesome.
kind of thing.
I appreciate it, man.
But-
It's really. I just want to see the car get used for something awesome and cool and fun.
Oh, yeah.
Not sitting in my garage collecting dust. That was gonna be. I had a 4.8 truck motor. Obviously, you know the ubiquitous 4.8. I had a big old 65 mil turbo with a.
Ooh.
It was a twin scroll setup. It was ridiculous, but I just lost interest and lost money, man. It was just there's
expensive.
a lot that goes into
LS swap. It's a
it.
lot
Especially
of
having 2 E36s. That is a recipe for absolute disaster.
Yeah.
That's you're taunting the gods at that point. Having 2 E36s is like I don't know. That's scary.
I have an E92 and it's about 3 of them.
Yeah. So I'm just
It's
like,
so expensive.
I'll stick with one. That one's fun enough. It's only, I mean, it's maybe 250 horsepower, but it's pretty light.
It does. And from here, is it a twin? Wait, look. Rowdy. guys, we got, if you could probably not see it, we got Klaus's new donor body loaded up on the trailer right there. Chad, JD, dude, I want to thank you for everything. You're now part of the Hidden Motorsports team.
I appreciate it.
He's gonna be doing all the racing. Chad, you're out now. Sorry, buddy. I'm kidding.
Nah.
No.
Chad.
No, but hopefully in a couple months we have it done. You're going for the first rides. You can drive them. You can do everything.
Don't let me do that. That's terrible.
You're gonna do it.
Okay.
You're gonna do.
I can drive stick.
We're not letting you, forcing you.
Let's not though hit something and bend in the frame
No, I'm good.
and do it all again.
I have a pretty good track record of not hitting things usually.
Usually.
I did.
I heard some confidence in that usually.
And then the last two videos I uploaded is crashing at AutoX and then crashing into the back of a car.
Probably safer with me there.
Well, that's it, guys. This video was just showing us picking up the car. The next one, we'll do an in-depth like walk around of it. We can get in the light, show you everything, and tell you what the plan is and how we're going to get basically Klaus into this. But that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later.